Welcome back. This video I will talk about the most powerful rugged smartphone Fossibot F101 Pro of 2023 with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810G certificate. In the hardware department, the Fossibot F101 Pro is powered by the Mediatek Helio P60 with up to 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. The chipset is integrated with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. With lightning fast speeds for gaming, multitasking and resource-heavy app. It has 8GB RAM plus up to 7GB RAM expansion and either 128GB of expandable ROM, with truly improving performance and the user experience across the board. Coming to the camera department, all new upgraded camera modules and algorithms. The main camera primary sensor is a 24 megapixel wide-angle sensor, 5 megapixel night vision sensor and 0.3 megapixel macro sensor, aside from the usual LED flash. The selfie camera is an 8 megapixel, but the Fossibot F101 Pro allows you to take selfies with the 24 megapixel rear camera as well as the 8 megapixel front camera. Take high quality selfies. Let's talk about display. Fossibot F101 Pro gets a dual display phone with vivid display for captivating visuals. First, a main screen 5.4 5Hz HD plus IPS LCD display with this screen offers stunning clarity and lifelike colors, ensuring every image, video, and apps comes to life with remarkable precision. At the other secondary display, the F101 Pro gets a 1.32-inch assist new design, but the innovatively incorporated a secondary screen for multifunctional and lower power consumption. Use with 16 stylish watch, quick photography, app notification, accept and cancel any call. Fossibot F101 Pro runs on Android 13 operating system. The phone is powered by the last longer 10,600 mAh powerful battery with 18 watt fast charger and has a sided fingerprint scanner and also Face ID support. Also, this phone has NFC and OTG support. You can buy this fashionable, rugged Fossibot F101 Pro smartphone on AliExpress. Check the link in description below. Rugged and not assembled, but the design to be tough, durable and reliable. Thanks for watching.